What's up, you guys? It's Chile here. Today I have not a whole lot of time, so we're going to be doing another quick recipe, but I wanted to show you guys how to make my salsa verde. It's like pretty much the only salsa I really enjoy eating these days. And it's super simple. Anyone can do it. If you can boil water, you're set here. And you might need a blender, but molcajetes work too if you're old-fashioned or just want to do it that way. So all you're really going to need are some tomatillos. This is what they look like if you've never seen them before. They're kind of like green tomatoes. They have this little cascara on them, and you just yank it off and go ahead and throw away this peel, I guess, the wrapper, whatever, nature's wrapper. The other thing you're gonna need are jalapenos. I like to get the ones with the stripies because apparently they're supposed to be more spicy. So just make sure you rinse your produce really well, and then I'll show you what to do next. Oh hey, real quick, make sure you boil yourself a pot of water. I have mine going right there. Alright, I have my tomatillos and jalapenos here all washed. I used about 8 tomatillos, like really good sized ones, and 3 jalapenos only because I like mine really spicy. So if you don't like yours so spicy, maybe just start with 1 or 2. And as soon as your water's boiling, you can go ahead and put all of your tomatillos and jalapenos in. Be really careful so you don't splash yourself. And then as far as seasonings go, if you want to use like real garlic and onion, you can do that, put them in. For me, it's just, I don't have a lot of time. It's a lot faster for me just to use garlic salt or like garlic powder and onion powder. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. But if you're like me and you don't put a lot of salt in stuff, you gotta quit that for this, because you need a lot of salt for the salsa. If you don't put enough, it tastes really gross. I don't know why. It might just be the chemicals of the little tomatillos or whatever, but you have to put like a hefty amount of salt. So you can go ahead and salt your water already, or maybe I should have done that before I put the stuff in, but it's okay. But you can go ahead and do all your seasonings. Just eyeball it to however much flavor that you want, and you can always add more later after we blend it. That's the cool thing about salsa. You just kind of test out what you like and edit it afterwards. So pay attention to the color of your tomatillos right now, because you really only need to boil them, I think like between 5 and 10 minutes, just depending how hot your water is, I guess. And you'll know when they're ready because they get softer and they turn like a lighter shade. So you might need to kind of like rotate them, especially if they flip to the top, which is what mine are doing. So I'll come check back in like 5 minutes and rotate them a little bit so the color goes, it cooks them throughout. Okay, they're done boiling. You can tell they're done because the tomatillo skins are kind of starting to peel off. The jalapenos are starting to get soft. So you're just going to take your little strainer and dump the water out, and then we're going to put it in the blender. Okay, it's super hot in there, so you can't really see what's going on. But I forgot to tell you, leave a little bit of water. Because that's how it's going to blend, obviously. You don't want to put too much or it'll come out super watery, but kind of what I have here is good. And then my veggies come up about another half. So I'm going to blend it, but I'll cut out the sound for y'all. Okay, real quick, sorry, not sorry that I wasn't able to post my video on Wednesday. As you may know, I started a new job, so I'm still adjusting, but I'll be back to 3 a week, hopefully soon. Thanks for understanding. Okay, so it's all done. I don't have any chips or anything, so I'm just gonna use the little spatula. But I'm scared. I put too many jalapenos. I was gonna say a bad word. It's really spicy, but it's good. I put enough salt for once in my life on the first try. So go make it for yourselves. Let me know how it goes. I think you'll really like it. It's a super basic recipe and it goes great on all of your Mexican food and whatever other food you like spicy. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for coming. Bye. Hey, peep the comments to see who the winner for the contest is this week. Bye.